What's going on, guys? Today I'll be learning how to solve a Rubik's Cube. Well, actually I did, but I'll be like solving the Rubik's Cube on camera so you can actually believe that I've been doing it. This will not be fast forward or anything, so I'll be scrambling this up first. So, yeah. Okay. If you want another video of this, then yeah, you could do it. So I'll be starting now at 1 minute. So it's gonna be looking at this. Okay, 5, 4. Go. Starting now. Remember, this ain't my first time solving a Rubik's Cube, so I've solved it a lot before, so yeah. I can solve this under a minute if you want me to, but I can't really get a timer up because I'm not a good editor. So yeah. This is how it's like so far. I'm just okay. Here and there. And then I'm gonna solved. This is how it's like. Look. This is how fast I can solve a Rubik's Cube. So I'm gonna do this again just to see this isn't like anything ordinary. I can only do once. It's something I've experienced. So yeah, I'm gonna shuffle this again and again. Like I'll do this 3 times if you want me to. I can do it. But yeah. I'm not the fastest though. I'm the fastest in my family, but I've always had to tell my sisters how to do and stuff. So yeah. This is scrambled now. Scrambled does look pretty scrambled to me. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. By the way, I'm also young, so yeah. Some people in year 6, like I'm still in school, but it's quarantine right now, so yeah. But some people at my school bring Rubik's Cubes and like they solve it, and they don't actually solve it like for real, because they just do the same thing on and over and over again, and then they'll just end up in the same position. And then they say, "Oh gosh, I'm so good." I'm like, nah, man. So this is like a skill that I'm really good at. This is the thing so far. Yep, and then yeah, you should, if you're in quarantine right now and you are learning something, I think you should like learn how to do Rubik's Cube and stuff, because this is like the most fun. Done. See, it's nothing under my thing. See, it's like no iPad anything to help me. So yeah, I wish I could get a real timer or get my brother's iPad to time me. But I can do this in 1 minute and 3 seconds because I've timed myself a lot before. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want me to solve this again, but actually like tell me how to do it, then hope you yeah, okay. So bye bye. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and like this video if you can, and make sure to turn on that notification bell.